Hello, my name is Dr. Gerard Silvestri. I am the Hillenbrand Professor of Thoracic Oncology at the Medical University of South Carolina in Charleston. I'd really like to welcome you to the CHEST Congress in Bologna, Italy, between February 3rd and February 5th. From a cancer perspective, a lung cancer perspective, we'll have at least 5 venues to speak and learn about lung cancer. We're going to be talking about the complications of lung cancer treatment, bronchoscopy in lung cancer, management of lung nodules. We'll have a multidisciplinary tumor board, and I'll be joined by my Italian colleagues for that. And we'll do a year in review for the newest and latest publications of high impact for patients suffering from lung cancer. I hope you'll join me for this outstanding meeting. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in Italy. Ciao.